Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of the tradingforex.com brokers review. Today we will review the broker Traders Trust. So as we can see here, we are on the website traders-trust.com, and let's start with the home page. So as we can see here, we start by an excellent rating from Trustpilot with the 4.6. We'll have a look at it at the end of the video. Spread as low as 0, a low minimum deposit of $50, fast execution. Here we start also with another very big advantage, which is a 0% deposit fee and withdrawal fee. And finally, another advantage for heavy traders, aggressive trader here, a leverage of up to 1 to 3,000. We will definitely have a look at it in details later on. So now we have access to the 3 account types, but I would rather show it in details in the menu, so we'll have a look at it a bit later. The different instruments that are being available and the top trading conditions, which are 1 to 3,000 dynamic leverage. We do have a MAM account, copy trading, no fees on deposit as well as withdrawal, trading with an STP ECN broker, spread as low as 0. We also have a negative balance protection, which is very important. All strategies allowed, shows transparency, a low $50 minimum deposits, and a 24/5 customer support. Now let's get started with the menu. Under accounts, let's have a look at the live accounts. And here we have our 3 account types. So the classic starts at $50, the pro at $500, and the VIP at $5,000. They have the same currency for the accounts, dollar, euro, yen, and sterling. So for the classic, we have no commission per side. For the pro, we have $3 per lot per side, which is a $6 round turn. And for the VIP, a $1.5 per lot per side, which is a $3 round turn. Now the spread is at 1.5 pips minimum spread for the classic and 0 for the pro and VIP. And finally, they all benefit from a leverage of 1 to 3,000 at a maximum, this dynamic leverage, and minimum micro lots for all account types. Now let's have a look at more details. Execution model is STP across the account types. We have a fast execution, different MT4 servers. Classic has a server 1, which, as we can see here a bit lower, is based in London. It's important to know, based on your location, that you can have access to a server in London. However, for the Pro and the VIP account, you have servers in Tokyo. So especially for Asian clients or any types of traders who is closer to Tokyo than it is in London, you have the benefit of being able to trade in servers that are close to you rather than only trading in servers that are based in London. The cTrader servers are all live ones, so all based in London. So the commission structure, we've already seen it. We have the platform MT4 cTrader and WebTrader for all account type. The dynamic leverage of 1 to 3,000 available across all account types as well. The cTrader leverage is, however, at 1 to 500. The minimum volume is micro lot for all of them. What is the maximum trading volume? Is 1,000 lots for FX, but cryptos, indices, metals, and oil is 50 lots. And once again, we have the same configurations of maximum volume across all the account types. The execution type is markets, so it's an STP execution for all the account types as well. No rejections and no requotes. Here are the servers. The minimum spread of 1.5 for the classic and 0 for the pro and VIP. The account currencies are available across the boards. Same thing for all the instruments. The margin call being at 50% and stop out at 20% for all account type. All EAs being allowed and all strategies are allowed. Very transparent conditions available here under live accounts. Now very briefly, we also have a demo account to test your strategies, to test the different platforms. Now the copy trading is very interesting, because you do have the opportunity to copy trade or to get copied. So copying trades, you can copy a strategy provider, and we have access here to a lot of different strategies. So let's have a look at an example. If I click here in one of them, Then you do have the total return per year, per half year, per quarter. Here the monthly return, so you have a lot of information, and then you can click on invest in order to copy. But if you are a profitable trader, then you have also the opportunity to join the social trader as a master and get copied by followers and earn, as it is written here, earn from the performance fees. We continue now with the MAM account. So the MAM account is a little bit different since you do not trade only your funds and then you get copied as a master, or you do not invest by keeping your trading accounts which will only replicate the trades of the master as in the copy trading feature. In the MAM account, it's a multi-account manager. The investor will directly put his funds under the pool of the MAM account, and the MAM account manager will trade the total of the funds of the investors here. Here are the features for the MAM account. It allows all the investors to deposit or withdraw the trading funds at any time. You can charge your clients based on your preference. You do have multiple performance fee calculating. This is very important, especially when you have investors, for example, putting different amounts. Then you can give them the opportunity to charge them different performance fee based on the amount that they invest. And you have up to 10 different trade allocations in real time. So a lot of information is available here for the MAM that I invite you to check in more details. So let's continue. Under the account menu, we do have Islamic accounts. So the Islamic accounts are swap-free accounts, and let's have a look at the swap-free conditions. So for Forex, as we can see here, for all those different currency pairs, there is a swap-free condition for the first 7 days that the positions are open with those instruments. And after the 7th day, there is a $5 per lot per day as an additional storage fee. Now for those pairs which are more exotics, after the 7th day is $15. And for those two pairs which can have much higher swap rates, after the first day there is a $600 per lot per day. Now let's continue on the indices. What do we have? All the indices for the Islamic account have a 7-day swap free and then a $1 per lot per day after the 7th day. For the stocks here, 1 day and then $20 per lot per day. Crypto, you do have 1 day again, and then you do have a $20 per lot per day. Metal, you have 7 days, which is really good, same as the Forex, and then a $15 per lot per day. And we finish with the oil, which also have a 7-day swap-free period, followed by $75 per lot per day. Now, last but not least, let's have a look at the deposit withdrawals methods. Most important thing to mention is that we have no commission or fees for deposit and withdrawals as it is written. Now, let's get into the trading menu. So here are all the instruments available. You have also the live dynamic spread, which is a very good feature to know the spread of your current instrument. So we do have here for Forex, stocks, here are the different symbols, cryptos, indices, metals and oil, but we will go straight into spreads and commission to compare as we did for all our previous reviews. We will start by the Euro USD. So let's have a look at it. So the Euro USD has a classic spread minimum of 1.5. The average for the classic account is at 1.8 pips. For the Pro and VIP, a minimum spread of 0 pips and an average spread of 0.1, which is really good. We will have a look as well at the gold XAU USD. Here it is. So for the classic, a minimum of 0.15 and an average of 0.32. And for the Pro and VIP, a minimum of 0.1 and an average of 0.15. And finally, the Dow Jones, the US 30. For the classic account, we have a minimum of 2 and an average of 3.3. And for the Pro and VIP, we do have also a minimum of 2 and 3.3. So we have similar spread across the account types. Now for the margin and leverage, especially since Traders Trust is offering a leverage of up to 1 to 3,000, let's have a look at this. So as you can see here, you have a list of all the different types of instruments and a maximum leverage of up to 1 to 3,000. But now, what is this dynamic leverage? Let's click into it. So this is how the dynamic leverage tiers are being set up. If you open between 0 and 1 net lots, then you will have for such volume 1 to 3,000. Then for the following volume between 1 to 5 lots, in addition, this new volume that you will open will have a leverage of a maximum of 1 to 2,000. So let's say you open, for example, 8 lots. The first lot will have 1 to 3,000. Then the following 4 lots will have 1 to 2,000. So we have already 5 lots, and the last 3 lots will have 1 to 1,000. Now the dynamic leverage, we have seen it, it's only available in MT4 since cTrader has maximum leverage of 1 to 500. And here you have the information of all the different pairs for which the dynamic leverage is available. And you have here a calculation that if you had 20 lots open with the dynamic leverage, this is the margin, and this is with the normal 1 to 500 leverage. Now you even have a calculator. So let's say we have a dollar account, and let's say simply I'm going to have a Euro USD, and I will open a total of 12 lots, and it will be a sell. And now I'm going to calculate it, and this is my total margin required. So that's great. Everything is quite clear. Now we also have a margin calculator here in which you can enter your currency. You can choose the currency pair of your choice. You can choose your volume in lots. You can choose your leverage, and the required margin will be calculated here. So let's continue here. We do have a table with the trading hours based on the instruments that you can consult to make sure that you know when the market is closed especially, and a table for the swap fees for all the instruments. Let's continue with the menu in order. So now on the partnerships, we have 3 types of partnerships. First of all, introducing broker. So as you can see here, it's quite transparent. You can earn an unlimited commission of up to $10 per lot. And there is also a multi-system that allows you to get the commission for up to 5 levels of sub-partners. So let's say if you have an organization and you get to bring IBs that themselves will bring IB, then you can end up earning commission even from sub-levels. Now we continue here in the menu, and as we can see here, you can make up to $50,000 every month with the partner loyalty program. So let's have a look at it now. So what is the partner loyalty program? There is an example. So if your direct clients make a net deposit of $52,000 in a month, and you brought 21 new clients. So based on the table, 52,000 you are here in the second line, and 21 new, you are above the 21. So here you will get 0.5% of the net monthly deposit in addition to your standard commission. So this is huge. Let's say in 1 month, your total amount of clients brought over 100,000, and you brought, for example, over 21 clients from this 100,000 net deposit. So you get an extra 0.8% of that net deposit as an extra bonus. So to become an IB, it's very simple. You just have to register as a client, verify your account, you submit the application, and you start to refer and earn your commission immediately. This is how you can apply to become an IB. Now let's continue with the white label. So for the white label partnership, this is an easy way to open your own brokerage without all the hassles and investments of the regulations and technology. So you get to use the broker's payment solution, regulations, and in order to become, you can simply apply here. There is this little form, sign up, and then submit your application for white label partnership. And we will finish with the asset manager. As we've seen earlier, Traders Trust is offering a MAM account. So you can become a fund manager by bringing your investors and trading your MAM with the broker and benefiting from the transparent and unlimited conditions since all strategies and EAs are allowed, no deposit on fees and withdraw, and trading with an STP ECN broker with no dealing desk. Now let's get into the promotion tab of Traders Trust. So we have a lot of different promotions. What do we have here? A 50,000 convertible bonus. Let's look into it together. You can convert and withdraw up to 50,000 bonus with 100% on each transfer. So how does it work? Every time you make a transfer, you get 100% bonus. The minimum transfer is $300 per time. So if you deposit 300, you get 300 bonus. If you deposit after 500, you get 500 bonus, etc., etc., up to 50,000. Then how do you convert it? Every 0.2 lot that you trade, you convert $1 of the credit into cash. And you have a 90-day period from your last credit date. So it doesn't cost anything to apply for this bonus, get the credit and convert the credit at a rate of 0.2 lot per dollar of credit that will be converted into cash. Here we have an example. Deposit 300, you get 100% credit. You trade one lot for every $5 of credit, so for $300 it's 60 lots, and then you convert the credit into balance. Now let's continue and see the other promotions. The partner loyalty program, we've seen it early on since there was a link. Cashback rebates. So what is the cashback rebate promotion? You have up to $2,000 daily cashback rebates. So you register for a classic or pro trading accounts. You start trading and you receive a rebate based on the following table. So let's say in one day you traded between 10 and 19 lots. For the classic account, you will get $5. For the pro account, if it was in a pro account, you will get $5 as well. In one day, if you traded between 40 and 49, then you will get $40 for any of those account types. That's pretty straightforward. Since all of them are quite similar, we only have a difference in the last line. If you trade 1,000 lots and above, then you get $2,000 for the classic account and $1,000 for the pro accounts. A very good feature. I like the fact that you don't need to apply, that it doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is simply trade. And if by any chance you get to trade within this volume range, then you will simply get cash back on the following day. I invite you also to have a look at the FAQ, the different questions, have a look into details if you have any question about those promotions. Although they are quite straightforward and transparent, it's important to be well informed. We do have a free VPS for all the EA traders, all the traders who are in the need to keep their platform open throughout the day and night. Then what is the offer? So there is a bronze, a silver and a gold package at different prices here. And what are the conditions to get them for free? For the bronze package, you need to have a live account with a minimum starting balance of $2,000. For the silver, it's $3,000, and for the gold is $5,000. And a simple minimum monthly required of 5 round turn lots. So let's say you have a minimum of $2,000 and you traded in 1 month more than 5 lots. Or for the silver, $3,000 and 7 lots. And for the gold, $5,000 and 10 lots. Then you will get the VPS for free. Now, regarding the trading platforms of Traders Trust, what do we have? We do have the MT4, so the MetaTrader 4, for Windows, Mac, iOS, Androids, the MetaTrader Web Trader as well, and the cTrader for desktop, mobile, web, and the cTrader copy trading. So, since we know about MetaTrader 4, we can still open the page to have a look at the platform. So we have all the basic information. This is a very serious platform used by hundreds of thousands of traders all over the world, especially the traders who are still using expert advisors, robots that are coded in the MetaTrader 4 platform, so they get to prefer this platform. However, the cTrader is also very user-friendly, and I invite every trader to have a look into it, especially since you have so many features that are only available in the cTrader platform. Lots of different indicators, 94 charting tools, 26 time frames, lots of different zoom level. You can detach your chart, you can drag and drop. You have access to financial market news, algorithmic trading, so lots of different advantages. As part of the education, we will also provide videos on how to use the cTrader platform, so you can stay tuned as well in that matter. And the cTrader copy trading, since I've shown you earlier that we had here a copy trading available under Traders Trust, we also have a cTrader copy trading. So within the platform, you directly have access to the analysis of a lot of different strategies that you can start copying. So it's great to have access to the social trader of Traders Trust, and the global copy trading of cTrader, since all the strategies available for all brokers who are using cTrader will be available in the copy trading. So this is a great tool indeed. Now let's have a look at the tools. So we have a lot of different calculators. Since all of them are also available in the all-in-one calculator, let's look at what we have. So we can choose here our base currency. Let's choose the currency pair. We'll check, for example, a leverage of 1 to 500. Let's say I will open 3 lots, calculate, and the result will show me here the minimum price fluctuations, the required margin, pip value, and the swaps for this volume. Now, what else do we have? An economic calendar here, directly accessible in the website. Dynamic leverage that we've already explained earlier. The historical data available to downloads for all traders aiming at backtesting their strategy, so you can download the tick data here. And finally, the VPS hosting with the 3 packs that we have seen earlier that you can get for free if you have the minimum requirements of deposit amount and monthly volume. And now we are heading into the company section. So about us, once again, a very big plus having the picture of the owner and CEO of the company, Mr. Nicolas Berardi, Swiss-made trading. By being the founder and the CEO, Nicolas Berardi has worked for more than 30 years in the financial market. This brings a good seal of trust for the company by having access to the person behind it, safety of funds, segregated accounts, as well as negative balance protections. These are 2 of the most important safety features that you need as a trader to avoid having to pay the broker for having a negative balance in your trading account. Now let's see how you can contact as well. You have all the information. You can contact by live chat, emails, and phone. Lots of FAQ information, as you can see, with video tutorials. So this is really good. If you want to know more about the company, about the partnership, the platform, the social trader, head into the FAQ section of Traders Trust. Now regarding the legal section and regulation, as you can see, we have a company that is regulated by Seychelles, and here also documents in relation to the Bermuda regulation, but here we have the information. So Traders Trust here has the license under Seychelles, number SD141, and under Bermuda, registered under the number 54135. Also important to mention that for European clients, Traders Trust is also regulated by SISEC under the domain traderstrust.eu. Last but not least, let's have a look at the blog here. And we do have also a lot of different articles under different tags such as company news, famous trader news. As you can see, lots of different articles that you can follow and market insights under the blog of Traders Trust. And this is the end of the analysis and review of Traders Trust. And to finish this review, we will have a look at the Trustpilot as well, a review with a 4.6, which is an excellent rating. And as we can see, for the last few reviews made by traders here from different regions, Traders Trust is also replying. You have also all the information in relation to Traders Trust. So a very good Trustpilot rating. And in the part 2 of the video, we will also register to have a look at the registration process, the client cabinet, as well as partner cabinet, and download the platforms available in Traders Trust. Until then, I wish you all a happy trading. Bye bye.